Today we are dividing fractions and whole numbers. There are 4 different steps we have to take in order to find the quotient of a fraction and a whole number. So in this case, the fraction will be our dividend while the divisor will be a whole number. Step 1. Step 1 is to change the division symbol to a multiplication sign. How does that look like? My first and only example will be 2/3 divided by 3. I am converting the division symbol into a multiplication symbol. So 2/3 times 3. So step 1, change that division symbol to a multiplication symbol. Step 2. Step 2 is to convert the whole number to a fraction. So, step 1, we were able to convert the division symbol into a multiplication symbol. So this is what we have from step 1. However, the instructions for step 2 tells us to convert the whole number into a fraction. And how do we convert a whole number into a fraction? Well, in 4th grade and in 5th grade, I also explained that you can convert a whole number into a fraction by adding 1 as a denominator. Step 3. Step 3 is to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, when we look back at step 2, we were able to convert the whole number into a fraction by adding 1 as the denominator. Now we're being asked to find the reciprocal. So what does that mean? That means I have to flip the denominator and the numerator. That's what a reciprocal is. So step 3 is to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So here is 3/1 from step 2. I have converted that into a reciprocal by flipping the numerator and the denominator and their respective positions. Last but not least, step 4 is to multiply and to simplify if needed. So I'm left with 2/3 times 1/3. When I do so, I multiply across horizontally. 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So my quotient here is 2/9. I do not need to simplify. The problems for today, all of the quotients will be fractions. So keep an eye out for that. All of the quotients will be fractions.